Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In my previous video, we have discussed about Python functions and Lambda functions and how to create the Python function and how to create the Lambda function. I already discussed in my previous videos. Now here I am going to discuss about difference between Lambda function and def keyword function. And def keyword, Python function start with def keyword, and after the def keyword it must be followed by the name of the function. Suppose for example, now here I will create the one Python function. My name of the function is reciprocal of variable. So that variable is number colon. At the end of the function we can use colon, press the enter button. Now here write the expression return space 1 by number. So the return function, it prints the output value. So that is the concept of the logic of the using def keyword. Now write the lambda function, lambda underscore reciprocal is equal to, the syntax of the lambda function is lambda space arguments. The argument is number colon, expression is 1 by number. So press the enter button. So this is the def keyword example. This is the lambda function example. Okay, reciprocal of the number using def keyword and reciprocal of the number using lambda function. So using the print function, so print of def keyword comma, so call the def keyword reciprocal name of the function. Now where the def keyword, what is the name of the function? Reciprocal. So call that name of the function. So that name of the function, now where the define the number value. I will take the number value is 6 and close the bracket. So the output will be observed on the Python console. So 1 by number, reciprocal of the given number is, now where the number is 6, 1 by 6 is 0.1666. So similarly using Python function, so find out the lambda reciprocal value, lambda reciprocal value. So now here the what is the variable of the lambda function here? Lambda underscore reciprocal. The variable is lambda underscore reciprocal of number. So that number is same number I will give here 6. So press the enter button. So the output will be observed on the Python console 0.1666. So this is the difference between def keyword and lambda function. So the Python function definition start with the def keyword and the lambda function start with the lambda keyword. And one more difference between def keyword and lambda keyword. So initial I will create the Python function. The Python function start with the def keyword. Now where my name of the function is add up and parameters are x comma y. End of the function we can use colon operator. So press the enter button. Now you write the program return space, the expression is x plus y, adding the two numbers. So it returns mean the output will be printed on the Python console. It shows the output value. So that is the Python function using def keyword. In lambda function, what is the keyword? Lambda space lambda underscore add is equal to, the lambda function keyword is lambda space argument. Now where the argument is there are two arguments x comma y are the adding the two numbers. There are two arguments x comma y colon expression. That expression is x plus y, adding two numbers. So press the enter button. So using print function, find out the def keyword output value, lambda function output value. First find out the def keyword output value. Now we are the in this example def keyword, the name of the function is add, call the argument parameters. Now there are two arguments x comma y, there are two parameters. So now that variables are defined, call that variable uh, 6 comma 7, and x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 7, and 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. The output will be observed on the Python console using def keyword. So similarly using lambda keyword, find out the output value of the this one. So now the lambda function is created by the variable here lambda underscore add. Now here there are two arguments. So what are the two arguments here? The two arguments are x comma y. So define the argument values 5 comma 4, and x argument value is 5 and y argument value is 4. So adding the two arguments, expression is x plus y. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. The output will be observed on the Python console. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So this is the difference between lambda function and def function.